Pressure gauges are essential for every refrigeration technician. The tool is intended to measure the pressure of refrigerants in refrigeration systems. The Elitech PGW-500 and PGW-800 are digital pressure gauges for maintenance use in the HVAC refrigeration industry. The red one is a high-pressure gauge and the blue one is a low-pressure gauge. The product comes with a pressure gauge, 3 AA batteries, a 1/4-inch male adapter, a 1/4-inch female adapter, a bent connector, and a user manual. Turn on the gauge, hold the button to reset the reading. Install the adapter that matches the refrigeration system. We recommend using tape to ensure it's tight and sealed. To avoid damaging the casing, please use a wrench when installing and removing. At this time, the pressure gauge will display the pressure value and unit measurement in the system. Hold the left button to switch to other units. We have 7 units of measurement to choose from: megapascal, bar, psi, kilopascal, kilogram per square centimeter, centimeters of mercury, and inch of mercury. Press the Bluetooth button, and once the Bluetooth logo flashes, you are ready to connect to the device. Open the mobile phone Elitech Gauge app. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth and mobile GPS. Add device, click Search button on the top right corner, choose the correct device from the list. Click the red Bluetooth button and connect to the device. Once the Bluetooth icon turns green, the connection is successful. Click the plus icon below to add the device to the main work interface and return to see the pressure of the corresponding device. Click on the pressure display area to pop up the function selection dialog. Select Unit to switch units. Click to add refrigerant selections, superheat and subcool measurement functions. Return to the main interface, click PGW, select from the corresponding refrigerants according to the system. We support 140 kinds of refrigerant. SC/SH will display the corresponding superheat or subcool value. Hold the wireless button until REC is always on. It is recommended to format the device before the first use, as a variety of recording interval settings are available, and the recording interval can be adjusted according to needs. Under Device Settings, select Reading Data. The data will begin to transfer to the reporting function. Under the reporting function in the menu, you can view your data by date or by job. You can select the corresponding data area to perform data analysis and display the corresponding graphs. You can zoom in and out of the interface, display the recording time and values. Check the data area, click Export to output Excel or PDF documents. Elitech digital pressure gauges offer precise measurement results with more consistent accuracy than with analog ones. The compact design, large display, and bright backlight provide technicians ease of use in any location. The Elitech mobile app provides real-time data viewing and analysis as well as the ability to generate Excel and PDF documents. The product supports the data recording for 7,000 points.